Welcome to Forsey Christian School's Preschool Department. If you are looking for a caring Christian program that provides developmentally appropriate teaching methods, then we believe you have found the right place. We provide a variety of class schedules designed to meet the needs of all our families. The pre-K program at Forsey is a very special place for young children. Here are a few reasons why. All our teachers are certified by ACSI, the state of Maryland, or both. But beyond the educational component, our teachers have a passion for young children. That is evident in the laughter, excitement, and collaboration among our staff and students. We believe in hands-on, minds-on, engaged learning. Our early childhood classrooms include many opportunities for active learning in all skill areas, including math, science, language, and motor development. We participate in sensory activities every day, such as exploring in the sand table or pouring and measuring with water. Teachers use questioning to promote curiosity and encourage quality communication with the students. We ask questions, listen attentively, and suggest ideas for further exploration of an activity. The classroom climate promotes acceptance and appreciation for each child's unique developmental timeline. Children in our program are exposed to high-quality literature in various genres. We love reading with our students, and we know what books capture the attention of preschoolers. Our goal is to promote a lifelong love of literature in the students we serve. Partnering with parents is a top priority with our teachers, and you will find ample opportunities to participate in classroom activities throughout the year. We love answering questions and helping parents find good resources to encourage them in their parenting journey. Our curriculum would not be complete without a comprehensive Bible curriculum to instill a love for Jesus and understanding of biblical truths. Our teachers use various methods to make Bible stories come alive for the children, as well as teach practical applications. Our monthly chapel times for pre-K and kindergarten students are designed by the teachers to meet the needs of the children at their developmental level. The preschool program at Forsey provides an exceptional educational experience at a cost that is a fraction of most other high-quality preschool programs in the surrounding area. We invite you to let your child be the judge. Enroll today and discover what makes us so special.